Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a Diaper service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to create a simple website for your Diaper service business. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days and no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, Diaper service, and select that option. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region over here. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, multi-site has just taken that information. I've just put in basic details about my business and automatically generated a simple website in a couple seconds for my business. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone at all. They're very professional looking and super cute. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website of the various diapers you supply. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. Perhaps you don't offer all of those services. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you how to make some slight amendments to your website content, change some images, and it's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you either. You can literally do this all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible to my customers on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. And maybe you don't have a physical location, perhaps you mobile, leave it off. But if you do have a physical location, you can pop it in over here, because when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. Once you've put them in, the links will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a logo for your business, go ahead and update it. Upload it in the next section under update logo. Once it's been uploaded, you can make slight amendments so that you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames if you wish to by clicking on that pencil. Otherwise, save it, and here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors on your multi-site website that we've pre-selected for you, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes. No color coding needed at all. Great. Now, for each section you'd like to make changes to make it a little bit more personalized to your business, click on the update section button directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device or search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images. Under update action, those buttons, you can change the text as well as where they link to, even uploading a PDF file for your customers when they click on that button. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your multi dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on the yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a domain, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, you can actually click that button as well and purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your Diaper service, and really wishing you and your business mighty success.